let me start with this particular. Now, all of you consider using Ampere's law, we have to find out what magnetic induction of state solenoid. Okay. So first, remember this is what red part is your solenoid. Okay. In that red part, there are windings over there. How many windings we have to consider? Number of turns are what? N. So for this particular point, we have to find the magnetic induction. So what is small n? Number of turns per unit length. Okay, this is because for this particular portion, number of turns are what? That particular with respect to length, the number of turns per unit length. Okay, now what I will do? I will put a number of turns ka symbol n. So what is capital N? Number of turns will be what? N into N. So through one turn, how much current is flowing? I. The total current is what? Number of turns multiplied by current. So according to Ampere's law, you know the Ampere's law, line integral of magnetic induction over a closed path equal to permeability times of total current. Total current is Ni. What is N? NL. Okay. So this is what your final expression for this part. Okay. So here remember this part is what? Particular. Okay. Keep as it. Now I will concentrate on what left hand side. So left hand side is what? Over a closed path. Over a closed path means what? From A to P, P to C, C to D and D to A. So I just divided this total integration into 4 parts. Out of that, A to D and C to P are 0. Magnetic induction due to A to D and C to P, because what is the angle between DL and B bar is 90 degree and cos 90 is 0. So ये 0 हो जाएगा. Okay. Then what about this magnetic induction due to this particular length is also 0 because it is outside the solenoid. So this part is also rejected. So bacha this part. So out of this what? B bar or DL bar, because along AP what is the angle? 0. So what is cos 0? 1. So along AP what is the integration? B into DL. Okay. Take B outside. What is integration of DL? A to P का length कितना है? L. So just repeat it here. So this particular term I am going to equate with this particular term. So PL I equate with what? Mu naught NL. LL get cancelled. So this is what your final answer. Okay. Hope so you understood this particular theory. Please copy.